Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook cauliflower rice. First, choose a fresh, firm head of cauliflower, ideally weighing around 1 1/4 pounds. Wash it well under cool running water, then gently pat it dry using a clean paper towel. Carefully remove the outer green leaves and trim away the hard, central core from the base. This thorough preparation ensures your cauliflower is perfectly ready for the next crucial step. Now it is time to transform your cauliflower into rice. First, cut the prepared cauliflower into manageable florets. You can use a food processor with an S-blade for speed and consistency. Just pulse the florets in batches until they look like small rice grains. Alternatively, a box grater works wonderfully too. Simply grate the florets on the large hole side until you achieve that perfect rice-like texture. Cooking cauliflower rice is surprisingly quick and simple. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large non-stick skillet over medium heat until it shimmers. Add your riced cauliflower to the hot pan, spreading it out into an even layer for consistent cooking. Stir occasionally, allowing it to cook for about 5 to 8 minutes until it becomes tender crisp. Finish by seasoning with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. To truly elevate your cauliflower rice, consider adding a few simple flavor enhancements. Try sautéing 1 clove of minced garlic or 2 tablespoons of diced onion with the oil before adding the cauliflower. For a fresh aroma and taste, stir in some finely chopped parsley or cilantro at the end. A small squeeze of fresh lemon juice adds a wonderful brightness, or for a richer finish, melt in 1 tablespoon of butter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.